Get into a car with value. 2022 Chevrolet Malibu. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. The Chevrolet Malibu, the sophisticated four-door midsize that blends luxury and efficiency with safety and sporty handling. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, remote engine start, satellite radio, backup camera, 4-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, keyless start, power driver's seat, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls. Torn between sporty and practical? Drive an automobile that knows how to multitask. Drive the Malibu.